Good day, I am Mandy Wiggins and I'm with Resolve Red. Today I would like to show you a mini project we did for a client where we automated their voucher matching, where the supplier will do the work that the AP clerk would have done. So in JDE, on my screen, I have the work with purchase receipts. I'm using purchase order 74864 and I'm using supplier 60273. On the screen, what it shows me is that the purchase order was receipted. And then if I go to the supplier ledger inquiry and I search on the specific purchase order 74864 for the supplier Vikela, and say find, I can see that it has not yet been voucher matched. So the idea behind it was that the customer already had a supplier portal where the supplier would log in and upload the invoices. The AP clerk would then also go to the supplier portal and download the PDFs or documents and voucher match it in JDE. The automation, what it does now is that the supplier will log into the supplier portal and capture all the information, and with the help of an orchestration, it will be automated and the voucher match will take place in JDE. So now that we know that the voucher does not exist in JDE, we are going to the supplier portal. On the supplier portal, the supplier will log in. You would add a new invoice. Choose his name. He would put in his invoice number. He would put in the purchase order number 74864. He would put in the amount without VAT 16417.50, and he would put in the amount including VAT 18880.13. He would upload the invoice and he would upload the purchase order. And this is all that the supplier would complete for this automation. This is all the information that the supplier already have. You would click on the Submit Invoice. At this stage, the wheel is turning and it is talking to JDE. At the top of the screen, the message will come back, successfully matched in JDE, and it gives you the PV number. The PV here is 313583. In the seconds that passed from when the supplier clicked on the submit button and the payment voucher was displayed on the website, a JSON was sent to JDE and an orchestration was run. This means that the voucher was created in JDE. JDE sends back the voucher number to the website. This is not a complex orchestration. If JDE encountered an error, the website will display the error message. For example, amount does not match or duplicate invoice number. And we will now go back to JDE to see what happened. First, we're going to the receipt to see that the receipt has been matched. As I find, it has been matched. So if I go to the supplier ledger inquiry and press find, I will see PV 313583 has been created and is ready for payment. So I'll just go to the little bit right so that you can see that it is for purchase order 74864 and the invoice number that was completed is now completed in JDE as well. This automation will save a lot of time for AP clerks because they do not need to voucher match the invoices anymore. The supplier is doing it on their behalf. This automation has saved a lot of time. Hope you enjoyed my demo.